Describe 2 consequences of the extermination of the buffalo. 8 marks. This is the mark scheme for this question, which you can find out about in more detail in the overview video. But we do know that 4 marks are available for AO2, which is your analysis of consequence. So essentially, what happened as a result of the event, and why was it significant? Why was it important? To explain that, you need to be relying on AO1, which is also worth 4 marks, and that's for your knowledge and understanding of the period. So using evidence from your own knowledge to explain the consequence and explain why it's significant. It's that kind of detailed explanation using your own knowledge which shows that you can be analytical, and that is how you score highly on this question. You also need to demonstrate detailed knowledge, so using evidence from your own knowledge is really, really important to score highly. There are plenty of points you could have made for this question, so as long as what you say is relevant and correct, the examiner will give you the marks. But let's take a look at some examples of points that you could have made. So one example could be that the buffalo had been the Plains Indians' primary food source. So when it was exterminated, they were forced to learn to farm, so it changed their way of life considerably. You can see there we've taken our consequence and we've drawn on a bit of our own knowledge to develop the point a bit further and explain the significance of that consequence, just in a bit more detail. Take a look at the rest of the points though to see if there's anything you could have added to your answer.